No, please. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are totally on the right channel. Please consider hitting on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video on this platform. And trust me, you're definitely going to love every bit of it, right? So besties, we are going to be reacting on Wrc Rally Estonia 2023 jumps and pure sound today. Each time I watch this, I get nervous. Like, I'm always scared. Like, how do the drivers cope? Are they safe? Yeah, so we're going to be checking this out today. Please do well to drop your comments. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section, and if you have more you want me to check out, drop the link on the comment section for me. I'll really appreciate that, right? So let's put on our strength to see this. I just hope I don't scream. No, please. You guys should be safe out there. Like, are they not scared? The fact that the cars keep jumping gets me scared always. What? Such turning. Like, are you guys not scared? The fact that there are trees all around this place get me worried. Like, no, please. No, please. That's too high. Oh my God, please. And I think planes are above. Okay, that's not bad. I can't do this. I just can't. I can't even be inside that car. I'm sure they'll be professionals. Those people are around. Are they not scared? I can't stay close to this. What? Guys, I can't do this. I can't even be inside that car. Like, those people around there, are they not scared that something might happen? Like, the car might just lose control or something. You get what I mean, right? Are they not scared? Like, this is so scary. I can't even stay close to that place. I feel like those people are professionals though, but I can't. Even if they are professionals, I can't be inside that car. This was so beautiful to watch, even though I was scared. Like, I was scared. Okay guys, drop your comments. I want to read them and I want to reply them. Let me know what you think about this. Can you be inside that car and can you drive this? See you guys.